Alright, David, you said you wanted 7 and 10. I actually shipped one of these sealed when we opened the case, so we had just 2 through 9. So we'll do 7 and whatever this die tells us. Which this die tells us, number 8. 7 and 8. I'm going to try 2 of these absolutely. Jacob. 7. 2000. Yeah, make sure the year was right. It is. Cameron Newton. Hog Heaven. Gino and EJ. Tom and Ryan Tannehill. Who's the best quarterback on that card? EJ. Quad jersey autograph, number to 99, Jordan Matthews. I'm sorry, 7 and 8. He said Pat's fan, he said he wanted 7 and 10. And we only have 7 that he wants. We don't have 10, so we rolled an 8. I may have said 2 by accident. Sorry about that. 150 points. Derek Carr, quad jersey. Can't believe they beat the Broncos. Number to 75, Torrey Smith. And a jumbo jersey to 249, Kadeem Carey. Cam Newton again. Carson Palmer, number to 20. And Toby Gerhart, 99. What is Grant? What does that mean, William? Let's see. Percy. Matt Ryan at 99. Aaron Donald. Odell. That one's numbered to only, oh, I thought it was shorter printed. 199. Jerseys and patches. Odell Beckham. Andre Johnson. Numbered to 99 jersey. Number to 249, 8-way, Teddy Bridgewater, A.J. McCarron, Aaron Murray, Taj Boyd, Todd Gurley, Bishop Sinke, looks like Jeremy Hill, and Kadeem Carey. Yep, Kadeem Carey. Quarterbacks, running backs. Number to 199, Pierre Desir. Oh, 76ers, gotcha. And number to only 10, Robert Mathis. The shortest printed card. Robert Mathis. Focus. Wait for it. Nope, not yet. There it is. Sort of. There we go. Got it. Hog Heaven is Marquise Lee. And that's it, buddy. I'll get this on the way for you, David. Thanks as always.